All right, 3 important things related to your business to help you grow. TLC, tender loving care. No, I'm kidding. It's not TLC, tender loving care. It's TLC, traffic, leads, conversion equals repeat traffic. How are you building traffic? Search engine optimization with your website. Are you doing it through social media? Are you doing YouTube videos? Are you doing things that are like this on your stories? How are you building traffic to your business? Because without traffic, you have nothing. Traffic then moves into your portals, your gateways to generate leads. Do you have courses? Do you have places that people can sign up to certain things? We call those call to actions that people can essentially fill out their information. You get their profile, and then those leads then move into your pipeline. Could be phone calls, could be courses, could be emails, could be chats that then conversion. And then once you start working on your conversion, making sure you're answering the phone, making sure that you are working on your email campaigns, making sure that you're truly working towards converting at the highest level, and then repeat. Repeat means we do our very best to nurture lifetime value, that we continue to give our audience what it is that they want, to truly be able to feel as though you're solving their problems and delivering value constantly and consistently, and you're nurturing them, appreciating them. That's repeat. Hopefully these tips of the day have helped. Also, if you want to reach out to us. I'd love to set up a one-on-one meeting with you to help you grow your business. Let's rock the TLC repeat. Let's go.